Of course, we cannot return to the living stage 100 years before. But this map shows an example of spatial scale of intensive city otsuchi for about 9,000 people's life. In 1916, public facilities like town hall, elementary schools, or shrines are located along the foot of mountain, and especially in the area of tsunami route, urbanization is well controlled. It is quite obvious this town structure is very reasonable from the 2 points of view. Firstly, it is very easy to reach to high land in a short time from every place of the city district for all people, for every people. And secondly, it is relatively easy to restore the damaged city because the city area is very compact. This aerial photograph was taken just after the Showa Sanriku tsunami in 1933. In 1896, the Meiji Sanriku tsunami hit Otsuchi town and killed 900 people. The tsunami wave reached a height of 3.9 meters in 1896 tsunami. And in 1933, the Showa Sanriku tsunami hit Otsuchi again. The tsunami wave reached a height of 3.5 meter. But number of dead and missing was 60. So the victims decreased drastically. From this aerial photograph, we can understand the urbanized area was hardly destroyed, survived. Even the height of tsunami wave was nearly equal to Meiji Sanriku. So compact city form and well-organized land use is effective against natural disasters. We must remember this fact again. And also, we must remember that we have various modern technology that didn't exist in 100 years ago. For example, transport and information technology have made remarkable progress for the last several decades. And 20 years later, perhaps we will get not only developed prediction system for the earthquake or tsunami, but also advanced evacuation information system. So in the case of Otsuchi, I think it is practical to think how to realize the intensive town all person can escape from tsunami, huge tsunami easily, rather than to plan constructing 20 meters high concrete walls, which will not protect perfectly every conceivable tsunami. This is third article of my strategy. Through the modernization and particularly economic growth age, we have expanded the land and spread city area. But now, under the trends of the declining population, the actual situation of town is, as it were, hollowing out of vitality. This is a very serious problem of nowadays Japan. As it were, like a big watermelon, it looks normal, but it's dried out inside. This time, tsunami attacked this weak point of modern Japanese small towns. So we have to find a way, methodology, or a philosophy to grow juicy fruits even if its sizes are small. It's my very important opinion. Again, this is the map of Otsuchi in 2001. We can understand this town is composed of 7 different and small communities: Komakura, Kozuchi, Otsuchi, and Akahama, Kirikiri, Namita. And each community keeps its identity and independent spirits. These communities are not friendly at all each other. So the last article of my strategy is to develop every community's potential and to realize the intensive city form by using their power, community powers. Next is last slides, but it's a kind of appendix or supplement. From last month, I have started community developed design in Otsuchi town. Now in Otsuchi, people live separately in each facilities of refuge, which are apart from the town center district. So the power of communities becomes weaker and weaker. This sketch shows our plan to make Yatai Square. Do you know Yatai? Okay. In some place for a city center district. In a word, it's a place. Let's drink together. Our design team provide Yatai's design, and townspeople get the building materials, construct by themselves, and manage the Yatai business by themselves. Of course, it aims to create the centripetal place for all townspeople of Otsuchi by themselves. Yatai number 1 will open around the middle of July. So if you have a chance to visit Otsuchi, let's drink together in Otsuchi Yatai's Plaza. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you very much, Professor.